Hopefully my game doesn't crash. Oh, cool, possible. Okay then, we're all free, great. Oh, back to what I was doing. Wait a minute, did they get rid of the invincibility frames as well? Yeah, they did, I think.
Yo, you guys want an arm grenade? Whoever threw that grenade. That pulled the pin.
Oh, Christ! Oh, no! Oh, God! Great. Forgive. Man, this is all free. I found.
Kobe Bryant.
Kobe.
Hey, catch that grenade, you fag!
Oh, throw the grenade back, boy. Man, we're all free. That guy's lucky. Where are my invincibility frames? Probably best I switch to a pro weapon. Yep, got him.
It was me that killed you, by the way.
Revive me, please! Revive me! I'm the black guy, please!
Yes, Saul, let me help!
Please. Please.
Alright, bro, don't worry, I got you. You're doing great, can hit you from the river of that grenade.
Guys, move out the way!
Akbar! Get him! Get him! Yeah! Man, what's going on over here?
I'm opening cases and just chucking.
I call fascism while as I shot! I got betrayed.
Am I alive? Help! Res me! Res me! Help! Thank you. I'll open up cases like it's Call of Duty.
Oh, there's a guy in there. I'm gonna go shoot off his GM. I'm gonna change my loadout just in case you've got further grenade. One time I wish I didn't bring my controller.
Oh, run!
Oh, it's not. Ah! Medic! Medic! Piece of s***. Ow.
I didn't mean to throw that so close.
I think he's dead. Hi, how you doing? Anyways, I'm gonna replay this game once my controls are fixed, so see ya.
I'm throwing them around my asshole. Just bug up.
If I could be honest, I had a good controller that isn't broken. Also, I hate myself for breaking my controller that one time. God damn it. Yeah, I think there's a genocide going on. I found. Oh, what the? Mother!
Keep your eye out.
Let's start pop the bow. I'm going to commit. I'm going to commit Allah Akbar! Man, I missed this game.
Aim and reach across the table for pretzels.
Oh,
You don't know Allah Akbar! Damn man, we blocked it.
bro! What's your problem?
What's your problem?
What's your problem?
What's your problem?
What's your problem, mother? Allah Akbar! Kill my
Yo guys,
teammate.
do we think Playboy is gonna drop?